Today, we fix one of the most common English mistakes articles. Small mistake, big difference. If you master this, your English will immediately sound more natural and more professional. In English, singular countable nouns usually need an article. That means you need a, an, or the. Use a or an when you are talking about something general. For example, I saw a dog. This means any dog, not specific. Use the when the listener knows exactly what you mean. For example, close the door. We both know which door. Now, a versus n, use a before a consonant sound, like a book, a car. Use n before a vowel sound, like an apple, an engineer. Important. This is about sound, not spelling. For example, an hour, because the H is silent. Now, let's fix common mistakes. I have car. Incorrect. I have a car. Correct. She is teacher. Incorrect. She is a teacher. Correct. I like playing the tennis. Incorrect. I like playing tennis. Correct. He has strong personality. Incorrect. He has a strong personality. Correct. Now your turn. I saw movie yesterday. Correct answer. Ah, she is engineer. Correct answer. N. Can you open door? Correct answer. The. He bought new phone. Correct answer. I need umbrella. Correct answer. N. Final rule. If you say a singular noun, stop and check. Do I need a, an, or the? Master this, and your English will instantly improve. Next lesson, verb tense mistakes.